ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਮੈਮ। ਮੇਰੀ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਅਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਤੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਈ। ਮੇਰੇ 6.5 ਤੱਕ ਆਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ ਲਿਸਟ ਆਫ ਹੈਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ, ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ MCQ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਗੇ, ਹਨਾ, ਗਲਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ। ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ, ਤੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਹੁਣ MCQ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੋਲਵ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਹੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਗਲਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨੇ ਸਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਈਡੀਅਮ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਪਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਈਡੀਅਮਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਕਾਫੀ। ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੈਨੀਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਫਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ 'ਚੋਂ 4.5 ਆਏ ਸੀਗੇ, ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੋਕੈਬ, ਈਡੀਅਮਸ ਐਂਡ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੱਸੇ, ਮੇਰੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੋਈ। ਈਵਨ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ 6.5 ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ 'ਚੋਂ, ਐਂਡ 7 ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ 'ਚੋਂ, ਐਂਡ 6.5 ਇਨ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ, ਐਂਡ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ 'ਚੋਂ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ 6.5 ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ 6 ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਮੇਰੇ, ਸਿਰਫ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਿਸ, ਈਡੀਅਮਸ, ਵੋਕੈਬ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤੀ। ਸੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਈ ਆ। ਸੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮੈਮ।
What is your full name?
My full name is Kiranjit Kaur.
My full name is Ramandeep Kaur.
From where are you?
Well, I am from Orishak. It is located near Mukeria district, Hoshiarpur, Punjab.
Basically, I live in the village. The name of my hometown is Jada. It is a big town. It is located in district Ludhiana.
Do you use internet?
Definitely, I use internet even on a constant basis for multifarious reasons. The first and foremost one, I accomplished my household work on it, whether related to transaction, payment, bill, which works as a boon for me.
Definitely, I use internet because the internet plays an part and parcel of life, plays a role in every person's life. And I use internet for various purposes. First of all, I am a student, so that's why whenever I stuck in difficult work, so at that time with the help of internet, I solve my complex problems.
Do you like to watch film?
Actually, as being a student, I have hectic lifestyle. So whenever I get leisure time from my hectic lifestyle, then I give much single out to movies in order to relax my mind.
Uh, no doubt, I like to watch films because I'm fond of watching movies along with films. And whenever I watch films, I get relief from stress and burden, as well as I feel relaxed.
Okay, what do you do to relax yourself?
I do multifarious activity to relax my mind. Not only yoga, but also walking in the morning is preferred by me.
Well, I do lots of activities to keep relax myself, and first of all, I like to spend time with my family members and friends. And apart from this, I listen to music as well as reading books, and with the help of these tasks, I relax myself.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, I use headphone even on a constant basis for multifarious reason, like listen to audiobooks, but mostly give much single out to listen music with the help of this.
Obviously, yes, I use headphones because headphone is very important for me because in my free time, with the help of headphone, I can listen to music as well as watching movies with the help of headphones. And moreover, in the crowded places, I use headphones for attending any calls and other things.
Do you like morning or evening?
According to my perspective, I like both, whether morning or evening. In the morning, I do multifarious things like walking with my companions, as well as spending tremendous amount of time with my family. On the flip side, in the evening, I also used to play with my peers.
Absolutely, I like both time, morning and evening time, because morning and evening time very fresh time for me, and but I mostly much single out to evening time, because evening time spend time with my family members and friends.
Well, singer plays a very parts a role in every person's life, especially in this contemporary era. But here I am going to articulate that about that person which I like the most. He is none other than Parmesh Verma. He is not only singer but also work in a disparate sort of movies. Moreover, I known him when I used to study in 12th standard. Then my companion told me about that person. So on that time, I listened his songs. When I listened his songs, I I felt over the moon. Furthermore, there are multivarious reasons that why I like this person. The first and foremost one is that he is very down to earth personality, along with melodious voice, as well as nature loving person. Beside this, his old songs were very renowned, along with all the youngsters gave much single out to these songs. Eventually, I want to say that I felt over the moon about this jovial nature person. When I felt down in the dumps, I gave much single out to these songs, which gave me deep sense of happiness. So I want to say that if I will get a chance to meet this legend, then I will never miss the boat. So this is the person who very renowned in uh, all the world.
Well, I would love to meet many famous celebrities, because celebrity plays and part and parcel roles in every person's life. And however, today I would like to talk about a famous person which I interested in, and he's none other than Gurdas Mann, and he's a prominent Punjabi singer. And so basically, he hailed from the Punjab, but now is he living in the Canada city. In addition, I come to know about him when I listened his Mitti song very first time, and this song is very popular as compared to other songs. He's not only tall but also attractive by his personality, as well as is not only good singer but also a famous actor along with the film director. And now I often watch his interviews and listen his songs on YouTube. And moreover, there are plethora of reason why I liking this person as compared to other person. First of all, this singers has soulful and meaningful songs, which give right direction to especially the youngster, and never promote drugs or weapons. In fact, rich culture and traditional songs. And apart from this, having a good knowledge of various languages like Punjabi, Hindi, English, etc. And he is very down to earth person. And in addition, he has won the Kohinoor E-Punjab Award along with National Award for Best Singer. All in all, if I get a chance to meet with him, I never miss the boat. And he is not only good singer but also a social worker, because during the COVID-19, he helps the needy people by giving financial support as well as food along with the money. All in all, I cut the long story. I can say that I love his voice and personality. So that was the person which I mostly interested in.
What is your full name?
My full name is Amalkit Kaur.
From where are you?
I come from Moga city, which is very popular and wonderful city of the Punjab.
Okay. Do you like your hometown?
Yes, definitely. I love my hometown because of there a number of facilities are provided by local authorities for individuals, such as good education system, transportation system, and medical system, and many more.
Okay. What kinds of trees do you usually plant in your country?
Well, India is a diverse country. There are a number of trees are popular among the people. If I talk about myself, my I planted so many trees from my childhood to this present time. Last year on my birthday, that time I grow a mango plant.
Okay. Do you use internet?
Without any doubt, yes, I use internet oftenly because it is very important for my daily life. So whenever I have a free time, that time I use internet for watching video and listen to music, as well as sometimes I talk with my friends through internet and WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook.
Okay. Are you a social person?
Yes, of course, I'm a social person, so that's why I have a free. Whenever I have a free time, then I use social sites in my free time.
Okay. Do you wear jeans?
Of course, I love to wear jeans because now because I'm a fashionable person and I always follow fashion. So that's why whenever I go to outside, that time I wear jeans.
Okay. What was the first time you used computer?
This is an interesting question for me because I clearly remember when I was doing a study in the sixth standard. That time I used a computer very first time. At the same time, I didn't have knowledge about computer, but with the help of my teacher, I can easily use computer first time.
Okay.